Fadal Vertical Machining Center, model VMC 4020 HT, serial number 012007091170. Machine was new in 2007. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a FANUC 18i MB5 control, 10,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40. You have a 30 station ATC. Right now we are running 1500 RPM. It is a 40/20 machine, which means it has 40 inches of X, 20Y, and 20Z. 3500 RPM. You have a 20x48 T-slotted table. 5500 RPM. Doing a tool change. Again, it's the 30 ATC carousel type. Umbrella style. That was one tool change. Simulating a second. You also do have a coolant system with the machine. That's your Z. Your Y. And your X. Okay, you also do have a remote jog handle with the machine, with the control. You show that to him? Yeah, there you go. All right, so again, it's a FANUC control, Fadal VMC 4020. Hey, thank you for watching our video.